Hello, my beautiful people. Welcome to my channel and welcome to another mind-blowing recipe. Today, we're going to be making a snack called peanut brittle. Have you ever heard of peanut brittle before? If you have, please let me know in the comment section. And if you have not, I'm happy to be bringing this recipe your way today. Some people are very nice, like too nice. Not fake nice, not social media nice, real life nice. That type that greets everybody, even the person that borrowed their charger in 2022 and is still looking for it. The type that smiles first, apologizes first, explains themselves too much. There was this woman in a compound. Let's call her Auntie Rachel. Everybody knew her. Not because she was rich, not because she talks plenty, but because she was always available. If you needed sugar, Auntie Rachel would give you. If you needed salt, she would give you. If you needed onions and tomatoes together, she will still give you. If you needed advice, she would give you advice and still help you make the mistake. She was that kind of person. Always smiling, always saying it is fine, always saying no problem. And because she didn't shout, people assumed everything was fine. One Saturday afternoon, very normal Saturday, Auntie Rachel decided to make peanut brittle. Nothing serious, no announcements, no group chat messages, just sugar and groundnut. Something light. She didn't even plan it. She just saw groundnut and saw sugar. Boredom met opportunity. As she was staring, people started passing. One neighbor walked past and said, what is smelling like this? Auntie Rachel said, peanut brittle. The neighbor nodded like she understood completely. Another person passed and said, snacks. And you did not call me? Auntie Rachel laughed and said, come and take some. That was her first mistake. Another person came, then another. Before she knew it, people were already bending, peeping, stretching necks. Hens started entering the kitchen casually, not aggressively, just confidently, like it was free tasting at a supermarket. She kept smiling, kept saying it's okay. Meanwhile, the peanut brittle was cooling. Someone tapped in and said, it's hard though. She laughed again. Yes, now, that is how it is. Another person said it is sweet, sha. Another said it needs more granite. Another said it has too much sugar. Everybody had an opinion. Nobody had patience. Later that evening, one of the neighbors said jokingly, you are too nice. One day we're going to finish you. Everybody laughed. Auntie Rachel laughed too, but something entered her mind quietly. Not anger, not bitterness, just awareness. The next week, Auntie Rachel made peanut brittle again. Same ingredient, same kitchen, same compound. This time, people came and she said calmly, I will share, but let me finish arranging it first. No long talk, no explanation, no raised voice. Just that one sentence. Something interesting happened. People frowned. Some people said, Some people waited quietly. Some people walked away. Nobody fought her. When she finally shared, those who stayed got enough. And the peanut brittle, still sweet, still crunchy, still enjoyable, just properly arranged. One neighbor looked at her and said, so you can say no like this. She smiled and said, I've always been nice. I just learned where to stop. Life continued, but things changed little by little. People stopped stretching hand anyhow. People started asking first. People stopped assuming. Not because they became better people, but because the rules were now clear. Auntie Rachel didn't change her character. She didn't become rude. She didn't start shouting. She still smiled, still shared, still helped, just with timing. And here's the funny part nobody talks about. The people who really liked her, they adjusted easily. The ones who only liked the free access, they complained small, then adjusted too. Because sweetness doesn't disappear just because boundaries appear. One evening, someone joked again, Auntie Rachel, you are now forming strong. She laughed and said, no, I just don't like broken trees. Everybody laughed, and that was it. No fight, no drama, no apology tour, just understanding. Some people think things must always be soft, but peanut brittle is sweet and still firm. Not to hurt anyone, not to punish anybody, just to keep its shape, and life goes on. Auntie Rachel didn't announce any change. She didn't gather anybody and explain herself. She didn't say, from today, this is how it will be. Things just settled. People started asking small questions before entering the kitchen. Is it ready? Should we wait? Can we taste? Simple questions, but they changed everything. And Auntie Rachel, she was still the same. Same greeting, same smile, same generosity. The only difference was timing. She no longer shared while things were still scattered. She waited until everything made sense. And nobody suffered. In fact, people enjoyed it more because when everyone rushed before, some people barely got anything, some people complained, some people felt left out. But when she waited, everybody stayed, got enough. That's the part people don't notice. Boundaries don't remove kindness, they organize it. Another funny thing, people respected her more because she became scary, not because she changed her tone, but because people now knew where the line was. And once the line is clear, nobody pretends to be confused. Someone once said jokingly, if you had done this before, we wouldn't have finished your peanut brittle that day. Everybody laughed and it was true. Some sweet things don't need to be rushed. They just need a little time to set. And the best part, Auntie Rachel was happier. Not because people changed, but because she stopped overstretching herself. She still gave, she just stopped pouring everything out at once. So when you see something sweet and firm at the same time, don't be surprised. It is not wickedness, it is not pride. It's just understanding how to keep things from scattering and life continues. So yes, my beautiful people, that's the whole gist. Nothing deep, just one ordinary compound, one peanut brittle, and people being people. Sometimes it's not about being wicked, it's not about changing who you are, it's just about knowing when to share, how to share, and when to pause small. Life is already stressful. Stories like this just remind us to slow down and smile a bit. If you enjoy this kind of kitchen gist, the ones you can listen to while you're doing your thing, please do not forget to subscribe. There are plenty more stories like this coming. Simple, relatable, and sweet, but properly arranged. Thank you for staying till the end. I am definitely going to be seeing you in my next video. Stay consistent, stay lifted, stay positive. I love you. God loves you, and God bless. Bye guys.